Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of the jspot, where we come back down to Aachen Speedway and we fix the Rattrap. I have done a lot of damage to it, hitting all the clipping points. We've got a dent here we need to take out, a dent there I need to take out, and I first need to remove the ABS ECU computer thing. We might clean the engine bay as well because it's covered in oil. And yeah, that's what we're going to do today. Just going to fix it up, fix this dent as well, maybe put a tire on the rim so it's not like that. I'll try to get maybe this dent out as well, but it's right on the edge of the line there. It's quite hard to get that out. So yeah, let's see what happens. It's a bit noisy at the track today. There's a lot of cars here. As you can see, it's packed out. We've got some S15s. That's a mistake. There's an S14, MX-5. We've got some Golfs down there, some more MX-5s. Here guys, we hit the panel right here and got it out, the dent, but I need to take out this plastic box which is some sort of vent so I can get a bit lower to get to the dent down there. Look at the floor, I hit it, the dirt falls out of the car. Look at this.
There's chunks coming over.
It's flexing, which makes me think it's gonna go back to its place.
That's what I'm telling you, and outside it's popping out and then going straight back in again.
Yes, yeah, that's good.
Oh, no, stop, you're coming through the middle. Coming through the car. He came through the car, that yellow came out of it.
Yeah, that's something.
So really, is it sledgehammer? A sledgehammer, yeah. I knew that was going to happen sometime soon.
Slowly. Yes, it works!
It's this dent here that needs
Alright, James, right now it's nothing that Bondo cannot fix.
bonding a Hufkammer.
You just leave it like this.
I mean, it looks like a car now. Yeah, it worked. Like, it's almost straight-ish.
Straight-ish. This is the 206-ish. Alright guys, so we've got that dent out there. We've also got the dent that was here out as well. I had to bash the living daylights out of it. Now I'll try to do that, but I highly doubt that's going to come out because it's right on the bend here and there's no room. I mean, there is a bit of room to get in there. We'll give it a go and we'll see. And then we'll get this beauty out. And then we're going to change that tire onto this so that I park it on some sort of pumped up tires. But we sort of straightened it a bit better. It sticks out a bit. I hope my door closes still. We managed to bash the daylight saver in there using this long pole. This is it's never gonna come off this tool ever again. It's gonna be on this tool forever, so I'm gonna have to buy another one of these. It looks good. Let's see if it closes. Perfect. Does it open? Yes. Perfect job. He's just cleaning the interior a little bit because it's a bit dusty and murky inside.
What should I?
Guys, don't get the fuel one, because then the fuel won't go back to normal again. So my friend Huftas, that I don't know his real name. I do. I know it. I just enjoy to call him Huftas. So he sorted out the coolest camera mount ever with a conrod that's slightly bent. MX5 conrod. It's probably the coolest mount I've ever seen in my life. We'll be selling them on Huftas' webpage, www.huftas.com. Have a nice S14 here. This car used to belong to James, and he sold it to that guy right there. As you can see, rocking jspot stickers, Omega 1 Industry stickers, and MZR stickers. It's really clean S14, guys. We have Crazy Alex Vlogs here. Make sure you subscribe to his YouTube channel. He's helping me put on the back bumper plate. We took out the lights from the back of it, weight reduction. I'm going to screen it back on again because I've ripped it off on a wall clip. And now the last dent to fix is this one here. I hit myself in the nuts.
That's funny.
Done. It's as good as it's gonna be. Next week, and it will be back to where it was this week before I fixed it. All right, J-spotters. So we've taken out the dents at the back and the side. It's not perfect. I mean, you can see it goes in and out and the paint's chipped off and stuff like that, but it's much better than it was. The rest of the car is completely clean, ready for next weekend where we're gonna come down and slay some tires. And we have a surprise for all of you. A certain special person from the internet will be joining us for his first experience drifting at Aachen Speedway.